Yeah. Soon as I land, gotta get me a Thule. They catch me slipping, I swear he gon' do me. I double back, drop him down with the Uzi. I put him to sleep, he wake up in the ghoulie. Homie, I see him in back of the tunnel. The camper, they shooting, watch out for the funnel. I'm out of ammo, they got me pinned down. My brody gon' flank him. What's going on, y'all? It's Matt Wolf. I'm back at the range with another banger. Ooh. Shout out to the Wolfpack. Wolfpack, we going crazy, man. I appreciate the support. We going up, numbers are going up. I appreciate the feedback. You guys really want the drill, so I'm gonna keep those going, but yeah, shout out to the Wolfpack, man. Listen, get your merch at mattwolf.com. You know what I mean? You got some merch. And also, I appreciate everyone reaching out to me on IG, keeping me accountable. Hit me up. If you have any gun-related questions or anything like that, shoot me a DM, man. I mean, I don't bite. Listen, I got patches for sale. 1 for $10. You know what I mean? These high-quality patches is dope. Dope stuff. But yeah. So today, you know what I mean? If you see my last video, you seen the unboxing, so we're gonna bring it to the range, man. First shots. So I got the Springfield Hellcat Pro. Yes, sir. Springfield. Listen, if y'all know me, y'all know I love Springfield, man. I love Springfield. So, you know what I mean? This is smooth. It's never been shot before, ever. So it's like some of the functions are a little stuff. We're gonna break it in. So this is the Hellcat Pro. Let's take a good look at it. I mean, at the range. It's a nice pistol, man. Listen, and also, put this away. Remember how, if you've been looking at me for a while, if you've been following my videos for a while, you notice that my main CCW got broken. My Springfield Hellcat, the original one, it blew up. The internals blew up from shooting some finicky bad ammo, man. So, you know what I mean? I sent it into Springfield, and they sent it back to your boy. So, yeah, got my Hellcat, got the original Hellcat back. So we're gonna do some videos with this. See, I got it back. So I'm just gonna test it out. I've never shot it since I got it back from Springfield. They put a new barrel in there. So we're gonna test it out real quick, man. And then we're gonna roll it right into the Hellcat Pro. Let's get it. Shout out to the good folks at Springfield Armory. Now, I mean, my baby works. This is my EDC. But I'm not gonna lie, man. Ever since I got my new girl, I don't really want this one no more, man. So we're gonna get into a little bit of Hellcat Pro action. Oh, another thing, something cool, man. If you have the OG Hellcat and you buy the Hellcat Pro mags, the 15-round flush mags, they're running the original Hellcat. Oh my God! Wow! That's cool, right? So yeah, man, Springfield stepping their game up, man. It's looking too good. It's looking good for the Springfield boys. But yeah, we're gonna roll into some Hellcat Pro stuff, man. Let's check it out. First shots coming up. All right, Hellcat Pro, my first shots. Let's see what I think. Woo-wee. This feels so good in your hand, man. Fits like a glove. I can tell you right now, this is my new favorite gun, period.
Yeah, boy.
And then listen, I love my XDM, that's my baby, you know what I mean? It has its place, but concealed carry-wise, this is my new favorite gun. Anything that was wrong with the original Hellcat that we complained about, Springfield listened and they fixed it. So, my first impressions, a lot less recoil than the original Hellcat, significantly less. The longer slide, the longer barrel, the longer grip, it's easier to hold on to this thing. The grip comes with this nice material, kind of like sandpaper. It get a good purchase on it. It feels amazing in the hand. Recoil management is perfect with this thing. This is my new favorite gun. Let's shoot some more, man. Sensational. The first couple I don't know. The first couple I just was doing stupid shit, man. My finger was all the way in the trigger, but I got it corrected. Let's do it again, man. This is fun. This Hellcat, I'm telling you. This Hellcat, I'm lethal now. Let's get some more.
Look, I got a holster that this is what I got, right? This shit is made for any gun. It's like a universal holster. It's my first holster for my XDS. This is made for any gun. I mean, it's good. It's comfortable, but man, this is like a deep concealment holster. I got this because I was like, oh my God, I'm carrying a gun. I want to keep it as low as possible. I don't want anyone to know. So I carry it on my crotch. But the problem with that is when you go to draw, the handle is so low, you got to like push it forward and dig real deep and pull it out. So it's not optimal. It works, but it's not optimal. Man. So I'm gonna get me a nice holster. My holster for the regular Hellcat doesn't fit the Hellcat Pro because the barrel is longer, the slide is longer, and the trigger portion doesn't click in because it's long. Let's get some more in though. Sensational. Sheesh. So, alright, so all trigger slapping the side, man. You see me running as fast as I can trying to clear the plates. I'm gonna do something a little different. It's that Matt Wolf patch, man. DM me on IG at It's Just Matt, or you can type in Matt Wolf, it'll pop up. $10 a watt, man. I'm gonna do some accuracy training with my patch. I'm gonna start incorporating that in my video. So I'm gonna stick it up here and try to hit it with the Hellcat Pro. If I can get it to stick up here. Stand behind your products. All right, let's get it, man. Let's take a look. Oh my God, what happened to Virgil? Why the fuck am I missing? That's
He's
crazy,
small.
huh? Wait. I've been hitting it. What's that? Yeah, look, it's dented. It's dented in. The patch is dented in. Yeah, I have been hitting it. There's some indents all over. I gotta be able to shoot through that. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna shoot some more. I'm gonna stay right here so we can see. Oh yeah, I put more. I've been shooting this shit. It doesn't go through.
Yeah, I saw it moving.
Yeah, it doesn't go through. I was shooting it from back there. I'm like, man, there's no way I'm missing that. Yeah, it doesn't go through. Listen, I'm over here thinking I'm trash. I'm like, yo, there's no way I'm missing all those shots. There's no way. You know what I mean? Big Wolf in the building, man. Accurate Matt in the building. So I'm gonna shoot with my patch. It doesn't penetrate. So I'm gonna try to shoot it from close and see if it goes through. It doesn't go through. The only reason it fell is because I hit it from so close. The kinetic energy disrupted the staples and came out. If you look at the back, I hit it a lot, man.
Okay, okay.
You know what I mean? Accurate Matt in the building, man. Listen, the first person in the comment section to say they want this particular patch, if the first person in the comment say they want this particular patch, the one I shot up, drop it down below. I'll send it to you for free. I'll send it to you for free, man. But listen, it's Matt Wolf. It's getting kind of dark, you feel me? The sun's going down. I'm gonna get out of here, man. I got some stuff to do, but the Hellcat Pro, this thing is a beast. Will recommend, man. But yeah, man, 10 out of 10. I gotta get a good concealed carry holster first so I can practice some reps drawing it out, get it up to eye level. That's all it's about, muscle memory with your weapon system you train with. Just get the muscle memory going, and when you draw it out, you'll stare at the target, and by the time you draw, it'll be right where you're staring at. It's how it works, man. So as always, stay dangerous, man. Yo, Springfield, hit me up, man. Springfield, hit me up, man. Come on.